Excellent. Yes, hello, Matt Klassen with TMA BlueTech here at Oceans, Singapore. We are joined by one of our member companies, NORTEK. Harry Hughes is the sales manager for the Australia and New Zealand areas, and he's going to tell us what makes NORTEK's technologies awesome.
Thank you very much. So, NORTEK specialise in underwater acoustic technology. So we're Norwegian based, but like we said, I'm from the Australia, New Zealand and Southeast Asia sales manager. Today we're displaying with the theme of underwater acoustics for the event. We have both ADCPs, so that's what this device is here, so that stands for an acoustic Doppler current profiler. And what this does, it measures both the currents in the water column as well as the waves as height and direction. Very commonly used by oceanographers, scientists and the oil and gas industry. But we also have another cool product called a DVL. So it's a Doppler velocity log. Again, it's using underwater acoustics, using the Doppler shift principle technology, but it's using the technology in a little bit different way, in the sense that it's using it for subsea navigation. So when we're on top of the surface, we have GNSS, which is great. We have GPS, we can tell where we're going, how fast we're going. But with subsea vessels, once they dive under the water, we're losing that GPS. And so what we then provide is the DVL, and this helps give them their what we call bottom track, and this is their speed over ground. It's a true speed over ground, and it's to the millimeter per second accuracy. And so it's a navigational aid for these UFVs, AUVs and ROVs when they come into these environments. So all underwater acoustics, that's what we specialise in, and it's all for both the oceanography as well as the subsea robotic navigation market.
Excellent. And how long have you been with NORTEK?
I've been with NORTEK just over 5 years now.
Okay, so you probably had some interesting stories to tell, or things where you see like, this technology has allowed us to do this, and we never expected to see this as a result in the real world. Can you think of an example of that?
I guess the probably latest and greatest, the ADCPs, these have been around for a very long time. So we have been manufacturing those since the 90s. So we had some really cool applications where we get to travel around and help some of the researchers work with these systems. But I guess some of the more interesting is the new work, all the new underwater robotics, and that's where the DVL, and just working with these robotics, the researchers as well as the universities, and working in their warehouses and their work labs, to really get indication of what's possible with these autonomous underwater systems, which are completely unmanned, so they're all self-reliant, and we're getting some really cool results in those applications.
Excellent. Well, Harry Hughes from NORTEK, thank you very much for sharing this. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
All right, cheers.